Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in your story on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. Now you'll have to create a story. In order to do so, click on Create Story option. Now in the right hand side of the screen, you can see that there is this text option. Click on it. Now type anything you like. Here you can change the font of the text. Similarly, you can also change its color, add background and manage alignment. After you've finished, click on the Done option in the top right corner. Now drag and drop the text in order to manage its placement. Now click on the Share button to upload your story. And that is how you can add text in your story on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.